What word means a room that a guest books in a hotel? Options are A. Ticket, B. Reservation, C. Menu, D. Receipt. The correct answer is reservation. What do guests usually do when they arrive at a hotel? Options are A. Check-in, B. Check-out, C. Take off, D. Look up. The correct answer is check-in. What is the front desk area of a hotel called? Options are A. Kitchen, B. Reception, C. Balcony, D. Garage. The correct answer is reception. Which item is used to open a hotel room door? Options are A. Passport, B. Room key, C. Invoice, D. Suitcase. The correct answer is room key. What does check out mean in a hotel? Options are A. To enter the room, B. To leave the hotel after staying, C. To order food, D. To clean the room. The correct answer is to leave the hotel after staying. What is a person staying at a hotel called? Options are A. Driver, B. Guest, C. Cook, D. Seller. The correct answer is guest. What does single room usually mean? Options are A. A room for one person, B. A room with no bed, C. A room for a meeting, D. A room for cooking. The correct answer is a room for one person. Which word means cleaning service for hotel rooms? Options are A. Housekeeping, B. Booking, C. Boarding, D. Shopping. The correct answer is housekeeping. What do guests ask for when they need food brought to their room? Options are A. Room service, B. Room number, C. Room charge, D. Room card. The correct answer is room service. What is the paper or digital document showing hotel charges called? Options are A. Map, B. Bill, C. Guide, D. Form. The correct answer is bill.